I'm Beth Eggy, and I've been following Heroic for 12 to 15 years, somewhere in that range. When I first discovered Heroic, it was an Optimal Living 101 course that caught my eye. Brian said something in that course that really resonated with me. Actually, two things really stuck. That gap. You know, you've got who you could be and who you're currently being. And in that gap, he said that's where all the ick lives. Anxiety, depression, desperation, anger, all that stuff. And at the time, I was drowning in ick. I had a mental health condition that had really wrecked my life, and I didn't have a lot of hope. I had a lot of despair. And the idea that if I could just figure out how to close that gap and be a little bit happier, I would take it. The other thing that drew me was that nothing he said was prescriptive. I had a lot of people saying, all you gotta do is A, B, C, X, Y, Z. He never said that. He would say, here's this idea from this person, and here's the science behind it, and here's how you might apply it to your life. Try it if you are so inclined. See if it works for you. And that resonated with me. And that's what I started doing 12, 15 years ago, was one idea at a time, one little thing that I could handle in my current condition and my constraints of reality. And I changed my life. Fast forward, Coach Class 2. I was too scared to do Coach Class 1. I got brave, I did it, and now it's changing my life yet again.